surgery was in 2 different increments, and part of that was $3,000, I believe.
Well, but you have a withdrawal for $9,515 the day before.
Well, I'm not exactly positive which one went to what. I just know where my money went to. My surgery was $9,000 even, and everything
When
else.
you withdrew $6,500, did you withdraw it in check?
That check stub right up there.
Doesn't sound like things are adding up to me, Judge.
Well, Mr. Miller.
Well, I'm upset I'm here. It's my afternoon wasted. I
You're
don't understand why, my time is inconvenient. I had to leave my job early, for something that's totally outlandish.
You don't have to be here, sir. This is a strictly voluntary place for you to come. You didn't have to come here for an afternoon, Mr. Miller.
Right, so I just missed a whole day of work in a superior court?
Well, you're going to miss it someplace.
It's ridiculous.
Why, Mr. Miller? I didn't force you to come here.
I don't understand.
Well, I think, Mr. Miller, as a matter of fact, that what we're going to do is, did you file this case in your local small claims court?
Yes.
And you have a job, Mr. Miller?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you work for, sir?
It is Don Brandell.
And what's your social security number?
My social security is 599.
So these are your options, Mr. Miller. I'm prepared to dismiss this case without prejudice. That will allow the plaintiff to go to a local small claims court or superior court where she can sue you for $6,500. You are not required to be here in my court, Mr. Miller. But when you are called to your local superior court by subpoena or by summons, you do in fact have to attend. Otherwise, the plaintiff gets a default judgment. And with the information that I have just secured from you, which includes your social security number and your employer, she will be able to attach your salary wherever you go, through your union, through whatever job you go to. So the choice is yours, sir. Do you wish to stay here or get back to work? And she will sue you at some other time.
We can finish with the proceeding. I have no problems with that. I'm just expressing my opinion is all.
Sir, I don't want you to be distressed, and I don't want you to feel as if you were brought here under any false pretenses. You do not have to be here. So if you want to leave, you go. And if you choose to stay, then you behave in a perfectly civil manner to me. Otherwise, no. And we'll have another superior court judge handle your case where they will attach you and garnish your wages. Do we understand each other, Mr. Miller?
Excuse me?
Do we understand each other?
Yes, miss. We understand each other.
Okay. What's your pleasure, Mr. Miller?
My pleasure?
Yes.
Me? Anything extreme is my pleasure. Boating, snowboarding, motorcycles. That's what I like to do.
I think, Mr. Miller, that what we're going to do is we're going to let you go back to small claims court or superior court to deal with this matter. Case is dismissed without prejudice. You may go and file someplace else because this smart mouth is not staying here. That's all.
Right. Oh, good luck. Just because I'm upset at my inconvenience, she decides to pop off and become really rude.
I just can't believe you would talk to her that way.
Abuse my character. That's why I feel that I was justified in my wording of what I said.
I'm amazed.
She's just trying to make my life how I feel.
I don't know who he is at this point. I have no idea who he is.